Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Life360 and signing in. Make sure your account is active. Allow precise location and background permission so real-time tracking works even when the app is idle. Create a circle if you don't have one, or accept an invite. Once done, send invites through SMS or email and ask members to accept. This initial setup ensures everyone appears on the map, which is essential before you try to find family or friends using the app. Once your circle is active, tap the Map tab to view members' live locations. The map updates automatically as devices move. Tap any member's avatar to reveal details like current address, ETA from driving navigation, and recent location history. This helps you understand movement patterns. Use places to set home, work, or school and get arrival or departure alerts. Use check-ins when someone reports their status. These controls let you find people quick. To finish, enable driving detection and ensure devices aren't in battery saver mode so locations remain accurate. These settings improve update frequency. If a member's location is stale, force refresh the map, ask them to open the app, or restart the device to reset GPS fixes. If problems persist, check that Life360 has location permission, background refresh, and internet access. If one device still shows wrong data, re-invite the member to the circle. Troubleshooting like this usually restores reliable tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.